Yep. What's up, YouTube? Coming back to y'all with another video. A little bit of a different style today. Really just want to motivate y'all. You know, I've been coming to y'all with this mindset content because mindset is really everything. You could get all the YouTube tutorials and tips and tricks in the world, but if you don't have the proper success mindset, if you don't have the stamina, the grit, the persistence to keep moving forward even when adversity hits you, if you don't have those things in place, then you won't be successful. It's that simple. So in saying that, I want to come to y'all today with a little bit of motivation. The hard part about growth is that you can't feel the movement. The hard part about growth is that you can't feel the movement. When you're in this life, when you're on this journey, you're taking steps every day. You have a goal in mind. You have a dream. You have a vision. You're taking steps to get there. Day in, day out, you're growing. You're getting better. You're reading the books. You're watching the YouTube videos. You're getting around those mentors. You're taking these steps, right, to get to your goal. It's not going to feel like you're making progress. Consistency is the key to success, yes, but every single day that you're putting in work, you're not going to notice each day. You're not going to feel like you're getting better. You may feel like you're even going backwards. It may feel like you're taking 3 steps forward to take 5 steps back. And that may be the case, but that's why you have to have that long-term vision. It's like zooming in on the phone. If you view the picture super zoomed in, you can only see a certain area, a certain reflection of the true reality. But when you zoom out, you're able to get the full picture, the big picture. So when you zoom out, when you see the long time period that you've been putting in work, you'll be able to see the progress that you've made. You're zoomed in over the past month. You've been putting in work on your brand, work on yourself, personal development, whatever you want to do, be great at in this life. You're putting in work for a month. You may be zoomed in and all you see is you went up a couple meters and you went down and then you stay plateau and maybe came up a little bit. But overall you went negative down. That's what it may feel like. But when you zoom out and you see the past year that you've been putting in work, boom, constant progression. You see what I'm saying? It's like looking at a stock chart, an investment chart. If people look at the 1 day time frame and it says that the stock went down 30% on the day, then people are losing their mind. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. When you zoom out over the past 5 years, the stock is up 1,000%. You see what I'm saying? And your life is a stock because you have to invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is the best return that you will get. So I say all that to say, the hard part about growth is that you can't feel the movement. If you want to be great at anything in this life, it takes time. It takes work ethic, yes. It takes knowledge, yes. It takes having a definite purpose, yes. But at the end of the day, it takes time. Rome was not built overnight. Anything great is not going to happen in a span of a couple weeks, a couple months, even a couple years. And that's why you have to be committed and dedicated to what you're doing. You can't just want to do something because, oh, I want to make money, or, oh, I want to be popular. Any of these things, not saying they're inherently bad. What I'm saying is you have to have a reason why that's bigger than those superficial things. You even have to have a reason why that's bigger than you. Because if your reason why is just centered around you, you're going to lose motivation. But when your reason why is centered around other people, then you'll always be motivated to keep going. You'll always be motivated to keep putting in that work. Because even when you don't feel like putting in that work, you know that there are people depending on the gift that is inside of you. People are depending on you to be successful. People are depending on you to become rich. People are depending on you to become wealthy. People are depending on you to fulfill your purpose in this life. And are you going to let them down? I didn't think so. So in this life, growth is hard. Success is hard. But you got to choose your hard. Because if success is hard, failure is hard too. If losing weight is hard, being overweight is hard too. If becoming rich is hard, being broke is hard too. So choose your hard. Which hard do you want to go through? Would you rather struggle to get to a goal and make it and be successful? Or would you rather struggle staying in mediocrity? Choose your hard. So growth is hard. And the hard part about growth is that you can't feel the movement. But even when it doesn't feel good, even when it doesn't feel like you're making progress, that's when you have to remember your reason why and trust the process. And not only trust the process, but enjoy the process. Enjoy the process. So many people are so focused on the destination that they never enjoy the journey. I heard J. Cole say, it's not about the destination, it's about the journey on the way there. Because that's when you become who God created you to be. That's when you're being developed. And that's where all the experiences are, in the journey. So don't be so focused on the destination. Yes, the destination is good. Yes, the goal is good. Have a goal. But it's all about the journey and the experiences that you go through in becoming the person you need to be to achieve that goal. So trust the process. Enjoy the process. Yes, I know this road may be tough. Yes, I know you may not be seeing the results that you want right now. But 99% of people, the reason why they fail is because they didn't fail for long enough. They may have failed one time and given up. They may have failed 20 times and they gave up. Maybe it would have been that 21st time. If they would have tried one more time, they would have made it. I think Thomas Edison, I want to say it was 999 times that he tried to perfect a light bulb and it didn't work. But it was the 1000th time that he tried and it worked. So he easily could have said after the 516th time, yo, like, this just doesn't work, I'm gonna stop trying. But he said, no. The only way I can lose is if I give up. So never give up, never settle until you get what you want. Let's get after it. Let's go.